How to order food on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to order food on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to order the food, simply choose one food that you would like to order. Now search for it by scrolling or tapping onto the search bar and searching for that food, just like this. After locating the food that you want to order, simply tap on to one of the restaurants, just like this. Now scroll down, simply choose one of the food that you would like to order, just like this. After tapping on it, here you can find add to cart, just right here. Now select it. So before adding to cart, you need to select your bread, just like this. You need to select your toasting and also your cheese and everything that is required on it, just like this, and add to cart. And just go to your cart, just like this. Now to order, simply go to checkout. And after that, simply add your payment method and simply order your food. And that's it. This is how you can order food on Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.